You mentioned the Peppol network is secure. Can you talk a bit more about that?
Okay, sure. For an organisation to transact on the Peppol network, it needs to have a Peppol identifier. This identifier is globally unique, and it's how your trading partners know that they're transacting with the real you. In Australia, the Peppol ID is made up of the ABN. In New Zealand, if we've got any Kiwis on there, we use the NZBN. Now, because you have to use an accredited access point to get information into or out of the Peppol network, the access point providers like Sorcove are essentially the bouncers or the gatekeepers for the network. And we've got some responsibilities such as know your customer obligations to validate that the organisations we're connecting are who they say they are. So if you get an e-invoice from someone like, BOC Gas, that it's been legitimately sent by BOC Gas. So this type of authentication and security means that third-party impersonation fraud is pretty much eliminated. There's no emails to intercept or change or anything like that. Sure, e-invoicing isn't going to prevent your supplier from charging you the wrong price or something, but at least you know that the invoice is actually from said supplier and it's not, some invoicing scam out of somebody's garage in downtown Kiev.
Yeah,